Canned Banners. So yeah, Miles, I do marketing and business development for Canned Banners. Our developer, Chris, is here as well. If we haven't talked to you yet, we would love to. So what does Canned Banners do? We help companies automate the creation of banner ads for online advertising. And I'm going to demonstrate to you sort of the relevance of that in the e-commerce world. As far as the types of clients that we work with, e-commerce is a big one, of course. But it really runs the gamut. It's basically any kind of client who needs to make banner ads for their online ad campaign, quickly and efficiently. So we work with agencies, Fortune 500s, basically everybody. And so what this diagram represents is at the core kind of what our platform does is we take ad templates and we break them out into constituent parts that are very easy to update. So what I'm going to do in this demo is I'm going to use our new API. It's still, frankly, just a couple weeks old. And we're going to take product XML out of the Best Buy API. And I just chose that one because it's easy to work with. And we are going to take this raw product XML, so we get price, name, description, image, etc. Going to marry that with an ad template, run it through our ad builder API, and out the other end we are going to get finished display ads that can be used in an online ad campaign. So we'll just get started. So here I have a little search form. Somebody give me like a product keyword that would be sold on Best Buy. Somebody. Did I hear camera? Canon? Well, let's see if I'm not sure if I can do. I'll do camera. And let's see. The Best Buy API is weird, and we'll make 3 ads. And let's see if this works. Okay. So I just did like a really simple query to the Best Buy API. We have raw XML over here on the right, and it's the same data here on the left. It's just better formatted. So what we'll do now is we'll start to run that through the Canned Banners platform and turn that content into ads. So here you see that I've taken these 3 camera-related products that I pulled off the Best Buy API, and now I've got 3 display ads. That's great. These aren't done yet. This is just kind of a preview. So now we'll kind of do a little bit of heavy lifting with our API. And up at the top here, I won't go through the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps, but these are just kind of the basic steps that our API runs through to generate banner ad creative. And I've just kind of traced out things that are going on with our API where we're reserving an order number one by one. We're saving the banners into our database. We're attaching the images to the banner, and then we give our API the command to run everything through our compiler to generate JPEG and SWIFT Flash formatted ads. So here's our download page for the ads that we just generated with that XML. So what we have outputted is SWIFT files and JPEG files. So those are ad files that will be uploaded to services like AdRoll, Google AdWords, basically anywhere that accepts standard banner ad creative. You can upload those files. The other thing that we've done is we have generated dynamic ad tags. So we also have a dynamic ad platform. And so this tag, if properly formatted, can be uploaded into an ad server. A DSP means demand side platform. It's basically a system for buying online ad space. Things like AppNexus, Site Scout. And so let's just see if this batch of files is ready yet. So yeah, we've got a zip file here that our API generated, and show you some of these ads. So here is the JPEG version of one of the ads. Here is the animated SWIFT version of one of the ads. And so we can repeat this for hundreds, thousands of products. As far as generating ad files, if you have 10,000 products, it's probably not smart to generate 10,000 different ad files. That's why we have the dynamic ads, because all you have to do is basically update this, your SKU, and it will look up any product. I don't have like a bunch of SKUs for Best Buy memorized, so I can't just start updating them. But anyway, that's dynamic ad tag. And so it's interesting that Lexity is they were demoed tonight because they can be one of the data sources. Best Buy API, basically any store that has underlying data that we can access. We can run that through our API, and we can generate ad creative based on that. So yeah, that's my demo. What's your questions?